Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Wash and dry the scratched panel with pH-neutral soap so contaminants won't interfere. Inspect the mark with a magnifier and a light fingernail drag if the nail catches your into base coat. If it doesn't, it's likely just clear coat. Once you know depth, mask surrounding trim and wheels, then lay out 2000-3000 grit sandpaper, rubbing compound, microfiber pads, and Tesla-match touch-up paint. This lets you move straight into correction without stopping to find tools. Begin by wet sanding only the damaged area using 2000-3000 grit. Keep the surface wet and sand in straight, overlapping passes until the scratch softens, but don't sand beyond surrounding clear coat. Once even, wipe dry and use a rubbing compound on a foam pad. Apply medium pressure in small circular passes to restore gloss and feather edges. If you exposed base coat, now apply one thin coat of Tesla-match touch-up paint, let it level, and add a second thin coat after 10 to 15 minutes. After paint fully levels and dries, lightly wet sand very fine if needed, then use a fine polish to remove haze and restore shine. Work in small sections until gloss matches surrounding panel. Follow with a ceramic coating or quality wax to protect the repaired area. Make sure to cure paint and coating for 24 to 48 hours and avoid pressure washing. If the repair still shows deep line or paint lifts or peels, stop. Seek a professional body shop to prevent further harm and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.